Good day everybody, welcome once again. On this video I'm going to talk about Python 3.13, the newly released Python version, and I'm going to focus on the aspect of it that you could actually witness on your day-to-day activities, which is actually the error catcher. Now we have a kind of a way that he explains error, and then using color coding and so many other things. Yes, Python 3.12 actually did a very good job in actually explaining errors. Whenever you meet an error, you explain it to you in so many ways. But I think 3.13 actually did a very whole lot in actually using color coding, in actually specifying where the error is coming from, and also did some explicit explanation in some cases. Okay, so now let's try this, and this is just to show you the inverse of a number. Let's do this. Let me try 4 and save it. Okay, and the program the module I'm going to be using to run this in is what we call UV. And I have not actually installed Python 3.13 on my host machine, so I'm going to use UV. I did a video on how you can actually use UV to actually run different Python version and without actually installing it on your host machine. So I'm going to use UV to actually test run this. So I think, let me see, I have Python 3.13 here. Let me run it with 12. Okay, I'm getting actually the right answer. Let me use 0 because you can't really do 0 division. Okay, let's do this. Okay, you can see as always Python 3.12 actually do his own explanation on why you cannot do division by 0. There is no way you can actually do division by 0. So okay, let me show you what actually Python 3.13 actually did differently. So as you can see, it actually showed you the same error, but kind of use color coding to actually give you an explicit way, maybe explicit place the error is coming from, which is did like a kind of color coding with red, and then now did some little explanation. And I think it's just the color coding that actually changed between this and this. So I think this is one of another thing that you will notice while actually using Python 3.13. So let me comment this. Let me run the second script that I have here. So okay, this is what I have, and you can sort by reverse, and then let's see if it's going to catch the error, because this is supposed to be reversed, not reversed. So let's see how it catches the error. Let's try 3.12. Did I save it? And then save it. Let me try it again. Okay, as you can see, it's actually getting the error, and then it's telling you that reverse is an invalid keyword. I think 12 is actually doing a nice job in catching this error. Is always catching the error. Some of these are some of the things that you will not notice if you actually haven't actually like followed up on the release of the version. But let me try 0.13. Okay, as you can see, the same color coding, but it did an explicit explanation here that we normally say. It said, did you mean reverse instead of reversed? So as you can see, 13 didn't actually 12 didn't actually do that, but 13 actually did that. So he actually noticed the error you are getting using color coding and putting you in the line of where the error is coming from, and then using color coding to actually explain the type of error that. There are so many other things that 13 actually do, but I think these are the two: the error catcher and how he explicitly explained error is what I really found nice and found very intriguing about it, and I feel like I have to share it with you. So this is all I have for you for now. Thank you for sticking with me. Click the like button, click the subscribe button, and share my videos so that the channel will grow. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon. Anytime I drop a video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you once again, and God bless you.